How well does it work? YASHINE, 2023 new upgraded, automatic pool vacuum. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Our product comes with 16 hoses that you can also connect to your existing filter. The hoses are very tight and durable to prevent leaves, dirt and other debris from leaking out during the cleaning process. This pool cleaner is equipped with 16 extra long hoses, which can better cover the pool bottom and walls, ensuring a more comprehensive and thorough cleaning effect and saving you a lot of time. With the help of the extra large suction cup, this pool cleaner can more thoroughly clean debris, leaves, and sand on the bottom and walls of the pool, ensuring clear and transparent water quality and making your pool more refreshing and pleasant. It operates quietly during cleaning and does not disturb your rest and entertainment. This pool cleaner is suitable for pools of various shapes and sizes, including square, round, and irregularly shaped pools. This pool cleaner is easy to operate and use, and is made of high-quality materials with good durability and service life. It is an ideal choice for your daily pool cleaning. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.